Today we want to talk about inspecting fiber optic connectors. So we're going to use an Expo video inspection probe with 400 times magnification. We're also going to use a 2.5 millimeter adapter, which is designed to look at ferrule end faces. So this 62.5 multi-mode patch cable, we can see here on our screen, has a few large particles that we're definitely going to want to clean before we connect this to anything. When we talk about inspection, we want to look at the core zone, which will be right here in the center of the fiber, our cladding area, which will be out here to 125 microns. We also want to look at our epoxy ring, which is here right around where the fiber actually meets the end face of the connector, and then out in this larger zone, which we call the contact zone. This large particle here is in the contact zone at this time, and large particles like this can really hold connector end faces back and give us poor performance due to high insertion loss. So we're going to want to make sure that we clean this connector and then inspect it again before we install it into any test equipment or system. Now, patch cables are important to inspect, so are bulkheads. Well, one style of bulkhead that needs to be inspected is actually the port on your OTDR. Now, keeping the ferrule on your OTDR clean is very important. This adapter we're using now is 2.5 millimeters for APC bulkheads. On our OTDR here, we have an APC adapter, and we are going to then insert our probe directly into the OTDR port and look at this look at this end face. And what we need to realize is that sometimes with APC, focus is kind of difficult, and if you ever find that you need to get your fiber centered in the little screen, what you need to do is move your probe end the opposite direction that you want to center the image. Okay, so that's inspection of fiber optic connectors. Remember to clean and inspect all connectors before you connect them to any test equipment or active equipment. Clean connectors equal good performance.